Assalamu alaikum and hello everyone. I am Juhair Yasser Javid, a dedicated and passionate student in the Department of Software Engineering at Daffodil International University. Let me take you through a brief journey of my academic and personal background. I am proudly come from Shabar. I completed my SSC from Radio Colony Model School in 2019 with a GPA 5 out of 5. I completed my HSC from Shabar Model College in 2021 with a GPA 5 out of 5. In 2 years of my university life, I have worked on various projects. Some of my notable project is employee management system using C language, a library management system in Java, an employee management system in Java. I also worked smart traffic control management system based on robotics. Apart from my professional career, I am also a digital marketer. I completed my digital marketing course from Ether Dream IT. I also run an online business where I apply both my technical and marketing skills in real life scenarios. As a student of software engineering, having a laptop is not just a luxury, it's necessity. I am truly excited and grateful to the project of Daffodil International University, one student, one laptop. Wonderful initiative helped me to enrich my learning experience. My heartfelt thanks and deepest gratitude to our Honorable Chairman Dr. Subur Khan Sir for launching this initiative. His visionary leadership has inspired thousands of students like me. I believe that with dedication, the right tools, and visionary support, students like us can dream big and achieve even bigger. Thanks for your valuable time.